Good day everybody, I'm Andrew from Dean Overland. Just thought I'd introduce this lovely Defender that we supplied and built for a client a couple of years ago. Started off life as an ex-military left-hand drive Wolf 300 TDI, which we then converted it into a soft top with a nice mohair sand hood on it. Stripped the whole body right back to nothing, lots and lots of pieces so we can prepare it properly to get this nice Keswick green finish. Got rid of all the Pioneer tool brackets and so on, and just put some subtle Land Rover checker plate on it, some heavy duty deep dish Wolf spec kind of wheels, mud terrain tyres, kept the original lights surrounds guards to keep a bit of authenticity going, added the galvanised bumper, some Melvin and Moon seat covers inside, but mechanically we've kept it pretty much as it was originally. The interesting thing is that our customers asked us to take it on another journey, and so we're now going to transform it. We're going to put a new Puma spec chassis on it to enable us to then put our 5.3 litre V8 petrol engine in it, put the Puma fuel tank in the back with another tank as well to give him lots of range, fuel range, nice suspension setup to give him a really nice square around the corners ride with his nice powerful V8 engine, but at the same time allow lots of axle articulation for his shooting trips as he goes off off-roading quite a bit with it. We're going to put some Puma doors on it, electric windows, and various other little things along the way. So I just thought it'd be quite nice just to introduce this vehicle, which is effectively 1997 sort of area. Looks great as it is, but we're going to take it obviously all to bits. New chassis, new V8 engine going in, Puma 6-speed gearbox as well, limited slip rear differential, better brakes and so on, and it'll be a far more refined vehicle for him to enjoy on his trips around the UK shooting and also occasionally across to the south of France. So here we are. I just thought we'd have a little drive in this lovely ex-Wolf 300 TDI 90 that we're going to start taking to bits very shortly. And just thought I'd appreciate how it goes now with its original 300 TDI engine, rattles and squeaks and so on, before we take the body off, take the chassis off, axles and so on, and put a new chassis on it, a Puma spec 2012 on spec chassis, and then go from its 111 horsepower when it was new, which means it's probably less than that now, to a nice silky 5.3 litre V8, which will churn out 355 horses. So the driving experience is going to be completely different for our customer, who loves this truck to bits, drives it all over the UK, across to the south of France. He's got a property over there. So it's going to be a lot smoother and a lot quieter. By the time we're finished, we're going to put some Puma doors on it with electric windows, which will just make it a little bit quieter. Some nice suspension, and that lovely V8. We'll have a Puma gearbox, 6-speed gearbox, different gear ratios in the transfer case, so that it'll cruise nicely. Hopefully within a couple of months or so it will be a bit of a transformation. So off we go again on the highway. 300 TDI is a great engine, particularly for somebody who wants a simple vehicle. They can just leave it somewhere in their second home and get in it and know it's going to go, or somebody that's going to travel around the world. It's a nice easy engine to work on. So we're getting up to around about 50 miles an hour now, taking our time to get there. 0 to 60 on this would be about 15 or 16 seconds, I would imagine. So yeah, look forward to the transformation. Thank you very much indeed.